Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play Rainbow Six Siege with controller on PC. So guys, in order for you to do this is play the game in Steam, and from here guys, after you download it on the Steam, as you can see over here, if we scroll down, they have a full controller support. So it can play with Xbox controller and a PlayStation controller. And guys, once you have downloaded it, just go to your library and you should be able to see it over here. But guys, if you downloaded Rainbow Six Siege on the other platform, you can just click add a game over here at the very bottom. And from here guys, just click add a non-Steam game. And from here guys, just select the Six Siege and you'll be able to add it over here on your library. So guys, as of now, I don't have a 6 Siege, but let's say Asphalt 9 is the 6 Siege. And then from here, guys, just make sure to go over here to the Manage. And on the Manage, guys, go to the Properties. And then over here on the Properties, go to the Controller. And make sure, guys, to make it enable to Steam input. And then from here guys, as you can see, when you enable it, you will have an access to Xbox controller, PlayStation controller, Nintendo Switch, generic controller, and the others. And after that guys, you can also click here controller configurator, which will give you a more advanced options to change your buttons on your controller. After you launch the game, you can automatically play the game with controller. And there you go guys, that's how to play Rainbow Six Siege with controller on a PC. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!